What is bullet journaling?
Bullet journaling is a flexible analog system that combines tasks, notes, calendars, and lists in one place. It's designed to help you stay organized and focused by using simple symbols, rapid logging, and customizable layouts. Originally created by writer Carol, bullet journaling empowers you to keep track of your thoughts and plans efficiently, all within a single notebook.
Core concepts of bullet journaling.
Bullet journals use a few key elements: rapid logging, signifiers, and modules. Rapid logging means using short sentences or bullets to record information quickly. Signifiers such as dots for tasks or dashes for notes help you identify entries at a glance. Modules like daily logs, future logs, and monthly spreads allow you to organize information in a way that suits your workflow.
Organizing notes effectively.
Efficient note organization with a bullet journal starts with an index page. Number your pages and log topics for quick reference. Divide sections into collections dedicated to topics or projects. Bullet points, headings, and symbols make it easy to find relevant notes, helping you retrieve information fast and track your progress over time.
Boosting productivity with bullet journals.
A well-structured bullet journal turns scattered notes into actionable plans. By breaking tasks into manageable steps and reviewing progress regularly, you become more aware of what needs attention. Reflection pages and habit trackers support goal setting and time management, making it easier to prioritize activities and focus your energy on what matters most.
Tips to get started with bullet journaling.
Begin with a simple notebook and pen. No fancy supplies needed. Start by setting up your index, future log, and a daily or weekly log. Use basic symbols for tasks, events, and notes. Experiment with layouts to find what works for you. And remember, bullet journaling is a personal tool, so adapt it to fit your needs and style.